Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Teamleader Focus Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once your account is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and you click on it. Next, click on Install and allow an install. After clicking on Install, make sure you refresh the page. Once the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about this application. The next tab is the tutorials tab. This tab contains videos and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next up is the Setup tab. And here is where we set up our application. To set up the application, start by copying the redirect URL and then you click on Start Setup. Next, head to your Team Leader Focus account online. From there, click on your profile and you click on Integration/Marketplace. That appears, click on Build and develop your integration. Then you click on Access Dev Portal. Next, click on Create Integration and you give it a name. From there, click on Create Integration. As you can see, we have our client ID and the client secret that are displayed here. And down here, they're asking for a redirect URL. Paste the redirect URL you copied in your account. Once that's done, give it a short description, give it a long description, then you paste your website URL and you click on Save Changes. Once that's done, you copy your client ID, head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, you copy the client secret and you paste it where required. Then you click on Complete Setup. And finally, click on Authorize. And as you can see, our application has been connected successfully. The next tab is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team in case you have any issues. And finally, the last tab is the changelog, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in any application. And you can also receive notifications when a change is made in any application by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.